Hey everyone, and welcome to another Frontier Precision Tech Talk. My name is Tony, and today we're going to use the Trimble Data Manager app on our TSC 710. It should work on the TSC 510 as well, but we're going to use that Trimble Data Manager app to transfer some files, whether that be a CSV or a job file or whatever it might be, from our controller to our PC. Kind of bypass using cables, using Trimble Connect if you don't have internet. Maybe even OneDrive or any of the cloud storage options. Again, if you don't have internet, avoiding the cable, USB, just another option to get data transferred. So first thing we need to do is pair up our TSC 710 with our PC. So on our TSC 710, just open up the Settings app and then go to Connected Devices. And we're going to pair a new device. Once that populates, we're going to look for our PC. In this case, it's this laptop. It's going to set up a pair code, and on my PC here, it's going to ask me to add a device as well. So my pair code pops up. Those both match. So I'm going to hit pair and yes. Telling me, all right, my connection is succeeded. So that's what I want to see. Now I have that Bluetooth connection between my TSC 710 and my Windows 11 PC. Now all I need to do is get some files. So first thing I'm going to do on my PC is I'm going to navigate to my hidden icon chevron and click on my little Bluetooth icon. And here's going to be receive a file. It's going to wait for a connection. So on my TSC 710, then I'm going to go on my Trimble Data Manager. That's going to open up. And then basically just navigate to the file I want. So I'll just go into my projects. I'll just use this test job at the bottom of the screen. So on the right side of that is my 3 vertical dots. I'm going to tap on that. I'm going to hit share. It's going to ask me, how do I want to share this? A few different options that we can use, but in this example, I'm going to use Bluetooth, being we just Bluetooth our 710 to our laptop. I'm going to click on Bluetooth. It's going to say, all right, these are the devices that you are connected to. I'm going to tap on the laptop. On my PC now, it's saying this is the file I'm looking to receive. Where do I want to save it? So I can maybe just browse and just throw it on my desktop for now. Once everything looks good, just hit finish. And now my test job has been copied from my controller via Bluetooth to my PC, where I can bring it into TBC or email it off to someone or whatever I need to do with it.